Welcome to Villa Kami. This is another finished villa we have here in Tampah Hills. And the villa actually can be rented with this awesome Jeep. And now let's have a look at the villa. So you have the entrance here with where you can stack all your surfboards. And we walk into the villa like this. We have a lot of pineapple planted here, so soon you can pick your pineapple on the way in. This is a little dining area that is super nice in the afternoon when the sun is on the other side. This area chills down a little bit. This is the entrance walk through this really nice Benkirai pergola. And you have this, of course, a nice big pivot entrance door. Welcome to Villa Kami. So from here you basically reach the heart of the villa. You have the kitchen and dining to this side, and lounge areas, the sunken sofa, the shallow pool, the lap pool, and the living room to this side. Have some really nice interiors in this villa. As you can see, the owners has some great taste there. This is one of the favorite things to do in this villa, is that look at the waves or the fishermen fishing out in the bay. Here we can just lounge the entire day. You can be in the sun or you can just get some shade in the palm trees here. Let's have a look at this beautiful kitchen. So you have this super nice marble kitchen island and some bar seatings here and big dining for 8 people here. And integrated fridges like this, 2 of them. Nice fresh water and a good coffee machine, of course. For someone that I've noticed, we have a built-in sound system in the entire villa, so you can really get some nice atmosphere here. Let's have a look at this private section of the villa. You have a TV room or playroom, another bedroom with 2 single beds, a mezzanine for kids to play in, and the master bedroom. Here we're coming into the bathroom for the twin bedroom, and it's pure concrete with black taps, very stylish, and you are basically showered here with the nature. Here we have a little back garden, and this is where we enter to the playroom. So for the one that want to quiet and chill down, you can just enjoy watching some TV or just play with your kids in here. And on the other side you have the twin bedroom that you can either walk from here or this entrance. One cool thing with this bedroom is that you have a ladder up and a mezzanine up here, so if you are kids or just want to play, this spot is really cool. So here we're at the mezzanine, so we're actually having a desk here. You can sit and work, or you can just play. Here we are coming into the master bedroom. This is super cool. You have the entire bay and the mountains to the west. Here you will experience some magical sunsets from here. And this is quite detached from the main building, so you can be really quiet and private in this master bedroom. Yeah, this view never gets old. So you have those beautiful wardrobes here in the master bedroom, and the wood cladding that goes through the entire villa is really nice. Master bathroom. And again, you have this super nice natural backdrop and concrete elements and the black taps. An outdoor shower. So shower here in the sunsets is something. Wow. And the sound. Here we're coming down to the sunken sofa at the shallow pool. I know the owners have planned this. You can actually sit on this one. It's a more shallow part, and you can play some cards and do some activities here. And for the ones that really want some sun, this is the perfect spot. In this villa we have a guest unit, and it's also detached from the main house. It has 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, a maid's area, and a little pantry and a toilet as well. And it sleeps 6 people down here, so let's have a look. And above the guest unit we have this super nice wooden deck where you can have your morning coffee, or preferable the dinners at nighttime watching the stars. And yeah, the view is also quite impressive. Those are the stairs down to the guest unit, and you have this super nice terracotta wall on the side. So here we have a beautiful room for the entire family. It sleeps 4 people, and it has a really nice arrangement like this. 2 people downstairs and 2 upstairs. And yeah, it's perfect for 4 people. And the benefit is that you front row to this. So we're walking into the second bedroom in the guest unit. It's a king-size bed, also nice concrete elements, and all bedrooms in this villa have those nice wardrobes where you can hang your clothes. And here we have also a nice little desk if you want to do some work and yeah, be creative. Here we're coming into the bathroom for the guest unit. And again, the nice concrete and the black taps is a really nice mix. And here the shower with the garden inside. Here is the maid's area. So we have a maid's bedroom and a bathroom and a little pantry with a laundry machine and an extra fridge. We have 12 coconut trees in this villa, and soon they will start to produce fruits, and you can basically grab them, take them to the pool and drink them. Villa Kami is up for rent. You can book it through our website. It sleeps 10 people, and we can't wait to host you here.